What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel here. Brandon today, bringing you back into the video. We out here in this abandoned building area. We got the whole gang. Sorry for all the wind noise, but we got all the cars out here. We're taking photos down here. We got Danny, Steven, Sagar, come over here. We got Dan Car Picks out here, getting it, and then we got Steve's Car Picks over here. It ain't gonna see.
Dude, come on.
Then we got Steven Car Picks out here. Yeah, Kev's gone, he's lost. We got all the cars out here. Got the GT 500 with the glass roof. Then we got Grubby's car. We're all just out here having a good time, taking some photos. We just came from Cars and Coffee, didn't get to take anything there, but gonna try and make some quality content for y'all. Let me go ahead and turn off this piece of shit. There we go. And then we got Elise coming down here with her EcoBoost. Are you vlogging too, dude?
Got the whole big Canon setup on the vlog.
Yeah. That's the old DBP setup with the DSLR. We got the whole gang out here. Look at this. It's a selfie to a vlog to another vlog. Yeah. One's out here getting it. Oh my God, Kev's Car Picks has rolled up to the meeting point. What's up, dude?
Here, take photos.
Look, we don't need you right now, dude. We got Steven Car Picks. We got Danny Car Picks. He's out here vlogging on his cell phone. We're all out here getting it.
We out here.
But we got the nice spots. What kind of deal we making over here?
$40 for 10 photos, or $6 for 20 photos.
$20 for just the rear end of the car, and then another extra.
You say $60 for just rear end shots? What the heck, man?
That's what he said. That's Steve's Car Picks. His
fucking shot right there.
crazy prices.
Hell yeah. Got all
Luke, you cannot trust a guy who drinks Truly. Just saying.
Leave my Trulies alone.
Where? Are you famous? Are you famous?
I heard you're pretty famous too.
You're famous too.
Oh, your hair looks like he's getting all.
Yeah, I got the hair.
Got to Kev, man.
Oh, got it there.
Jeez, man.
Most premium carbon fiber you can get anywhere.
Yeah. I hear the carbon quality is about as good as the paper plate.
Yep. If you just take a look.
Yeah. I hear it doesn't do good against speed bumps.
Nah, not at all. But I mean, hey, it's there. It's there.
Speed bumps and curbs and walls. But you got the nice carbon fiber 1LE spoiler. That's holding on pretty strong. Then we got Steven's ST out here, which if you know Brad from watching Derek's, you know that this is his old car. So Brad, if you decide to watch my videos, we got your old car out here. It's being taken care of and it is still in a fantastic shape. Let's see if it's unlocked to get into it. Hey, it is. This is your old car, Brad. Got the tuner still and everything. Got Grubby with the wannabe 350. This thing's pretty sweet. Me and him took photos a couple weeks ago with a real 350. He's done some amazing shit in the interior. I'm gonna open his door. And he's got all the nice accents that he put in here. Got all the red, the yellow. Did some custom floor mats. I'm reviewing your floor mats. Got the 500/350 spoiler, the Euros. And then we got Elise's car. That's the second time someone's done that to me. Well, she got Mountain Dew in there. This car's fast too, I heard. I heard it's pretty fucking fast and it'll gap a 5.0. So everybody come after her and come get it. Yeah, that's sketch. This is welcome to Exploring with Brandon and Friends.
We explored.
It's a totally new series coming to a YouTube channel near you.
I mean, hey.
He's got the
episode series.
Oh yeah, he ain't got the GoPro Hero 2 today to.
It's actually in the trunk.
Oh shit.
Let's do it. I'll put it on my head.
Chicken Plant Entry 24-hour challenge.
Oh yeah, we're gonna put the hat on. Put the GoPro on the hat. Get some quality content.
Like half battery. I think we'll be good. Don't worry. It'll be a good vlog. It'll be a good vlog.
Oh yeah, we all got to get the shots. Got to have the nice vlogs.
died.
The GoPro's dead. No, dude, we can't film.
We'll just put it for show then on the side of the car.
Like we like to do, we'll just cap a little bit. Nothing like.
There's a lot of people away.
Makes you think you're fast.
Yeah. I mean, man, I put Hellcats to sleep, man.
Oh yeah, dude. Oh yeah, right. Got to plug the Instagram too.
Yep. There you go.
Dan's 2SS. Coming through the shadows. Look at this Eco Beast, right? Eco Beast.
No, it's slow eco.
Yeah, it's slow eco. She's doing the shots that I wanted to do.
What?
She's doing the shots that I wanted to do.
Yeah, well, if the car falls in.
Yeah, at least if it falls through, it's hers and not mine.
Yeah, let's talk.
Isn't it just like kind of like baseball?
I mean,
Essentially?
yeah, but it's like completely different.
I've never.
If you think about it, you're hitting a ball with the bat, but then the rules get more complicated.
Yeah. After it's essentially baseball by hitting the ball. After that, it's something completely different.
Yeah.
Well, hang on.
I gotta focus it. Hold on, stop moving.
Hey,
Stop moving.
I'm not moving.
Yeah, that's kind of sick though.
Hey, are you done wiping down your car yet so I can get a startup video?
Dude,
Hurry up, man.
dude, there's so much dirt on this thing.
It's a Camaro, that's why. Look. But also, oh damn.
It's still quiet. It's still quiet.
Is that nice? Oh God, he's gonna back you up. Let's see, let's back him up. Oh, here we go. Why do all of you have MBRP exhaust?
I don't.
He doesn't.
You and Laz both have MBRP.
Yeah.
This is the cheapest one.
What do you have? What is
U-Power,
that?
baby.
U-Power?
These just aftermarket
What
tips.
is U-Power?
Listen, I don't know.
Now we got Kev car pics out here.
Yes, sir.
Can't even see my car because it's so dark over there. There you go, it's starting to pop up in the sun, in the shade. Getting some sweet photos done. That Steven's doing, I don't know what Steven's doing. Oh yes, now we got the car on the nice elevator for some sweet shots. Hopefully that sign doesn't fall down and crush the car. That'd be some real hard stuff. You said what?
Your car's vaping.
I know, the car's having a great time back there vaping.
Hey,
Kev's car pick's knees are about to start breaking here.
it's game over right now.
The knees are gone, but all for the shot. Clean. Oof.
Okay.
Oof.
Okay.
The rear end's where all the party action is.
I want to see what's back here.
It's sketchy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna go past like here because I don't really want to die.
Yeah, you're right here. You just step.
Hey,
You just.
if I die, you can have my camera.
Oh, bet that's a nice ass camera.
Y'all heard that?
It's in the deal.
If I die, Brandon's.
You fall through the floor.
Yeah, I might.
Oh my God, are you Kev's car pics?
Oh, that's me.
Oh my God.
Wait, are you Brandon?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, could we take a photo?
I am, dude. Look. What's up, bro?
All right, everybody. This is us.
Hey.
What's up? What's up?
What up, bro?
Famous boys. Famous.
Hey, famous gang.
It is famous
The famous gang and Dan.
I hit 1,000 followers on Instagram. I'm famous now.
Hey, hell yeah, dude.
It's on like Kev's car pics photo shoot though. Kev's car photo
Oh.
shoot. I think it was great.
Dude, is that Kev's car pics?
I think it's.
Now we're getting somewhere with our shots. Now we're making something happen.
Game plan. We all just
yeah.
lined up without a plan.
This whole vlog is in the process of being in one spot taking photos.
It'll be the first time my interior's ever been on the internet.
Oh yes, I had to show off
I'm not a
the.
big fan that you're the one posting it, but it's okay.
That's fucked. I was being nice and showing off your nice
I
full
know, I get it,
carpeting
I
and
get it.
flooring, and that's how you're gonna
But
talk.
now I have some clout.
Man,
Now
I
I
gotta
have some
go.
clout.
I'll see y'all later. I'm gonna go jump off the building. Everything's got everybody lined up. Got the whole squad out here. We got Kevin in the truck. Kev's car picks coming in with the. Come up here. Let me see. I'm too short for this. Yeet. All right. I had to give the nice little yeet sound effect. All right, so now we're all gonna go sit in front of our cars, and we're gonna pose. We got all the.
I want to see you like this on my hood.
What kind of pose you want, dude? I got you.
Any pose you want.
I'm a high-class model. I'm a high class model. I got you all.
I do whatever pose you want.
I got
just
you,
want
dude.
somebody in your comments to mention me. That's all I want.
I got you. Hey.
Just like that. Hey, Kev.
Hey. Somebody comment in the comment section about this yellow EcoBoost. He really wants someone to comment about him. I mean, pretty much. No, it's clean. It's nice. Hell yeah, brother. It's good. It's good. All right, y'all. Just finished eating. I'm now heading over to my friend Evan's house to finally fix the Misfire, hopefully, and mess with the intake manifold. See y'all when we get over there. Just got to my boy's house. Now we're going to open the hood. I don't know why he has a golf cart in here, but oh well. Now we can get working on it under here. We got the manifold off. Leaking some gasolina. Is anything plugged in down there already?
Not that I know of.
I don't know if we plugged any of them in last time, but we got 3 new harnesses to plug in and then pop the manifold back on there. Putting everything back together. Got the lights. Just need to put on all that and then we're ready to go. In here I have my SCT tuner, so then we can upload the first tune that Palm Beach ever sent me to hopefully get this car back to 110%. Hi puppy! What are you doing? She said, let me out. Come here. Sit. Hey, resetting. Now everything's firing up.
The codes.
Hella codes in the dash. Flicking the lights off.
Christmas tree. Is that like a Christmas tree?
Reflashing everything. Cause you're good to go.
Yeah, I'm cool.
All right, so the car is now programmed. So let's see how this idle runs. You ready?
Ready.
Well, I don't hear a misfire or any more pop, so it looks like it was either a tuning issue or something with the lockouts, but I doubt that. I'm gonna say it might have been in the tune, not getting enough fuel. All right, driving the car right now, no check engine light. It feels amazing. Everything feels back normal how it's supposed to be with the lockouts put on. Everything's working fine. I'm gonna get data log it and get a revision. All right, everybody, I'm gonna end the video here. Car seems to be fixed and doing really well. I'm gonna get that data log in probably tomorrow, whatever. Get a revision. Hopefully, get some pops in the exhaust and add some more, get some more high-end torque, because I feel like I lost a little bit switching back to the IMRCs, but at the cost of fixing the car and saving the motor from possible further damage. But if you enjoyed this video, you saw the photo shoot, and then you saw a little bit of me fixing the car, make sure you smash that like button, drop a comment, subscribe if you enjoyed, get me to 5,000 subs, and we'll see you on the next one. Follow me on Instagram at Minion50, and we'll see you later. Peace out. Have a good one.